Welcome to the video guys. Today I'm going to show you that how to install the Vuforia 9.8 engine on your Unity software in 2020. So basically what Unity did is till the 2018 version, Unity used to give an option to install the Vuforia augmented reality module during the Unity application installation itself. So they have cancelled that option ever since. So today I'm going to show you how to install that Vuforia augmented reality engine into your Unity 2020 application. So what you need to do is, first you need to have a Unity 2020 application in your system. So to download that, it's basically two easy steps you need to follow. Search Unity 3D download and click this link, Unity download archive. After clicking this link, you will be redirected to this sort of page. All you need to do is go down and download the latest version, that is Unity 2020.3.0. Click here and download the Unity installer. I have already installed it, so I'll just show you the steps what you need to do further. So here is my Unity 2020.3.0 installer. So I'll just open it. I'll give it all the permissions. And this sort of setup wizard will appear on your screen. You have to do next, accept the license agreement, and now what you have to do is checkbox these Unity 2020 and Android build support. So as I told you earlier, till Unity 2018 they used to give an option of Vuforia augmented reality here itself, but since then they have cancelled it. So we have to now install that Vuforia package externally. So how to do that? First you need to install this, do next, and let this remain default, and I'll cancel it because I have already installed Unity 2020 here, as you can see. So now we'll hop on to how to install the Vuforia package on your Unity project. So first we need to create a new project in Unity, and we'll do so right now. It's very easy. Let Unity open. So let's create an empty project. I just let it remain default as it is.
One eternity later.
So guys, as you can see now, my Unity project is on the screen. You can rightly see here my Unity project has been opened now. So let's just minimize this screen, and now we need to install the Vuforia engine package on this Unity project. So what you need to do is go to the Google Chrome and just search for Vuforia. When you search for Vuforia, just click on the first link, that is developer.vuforia.com. that is the Vuforia developer portal. You just need to visit this page, and this sort of screen will appear on your page will appear on your screen. So first you need to create an account if you don't have one on the Vuforia engine developer portal. So you have two options here, login and register. So if you don't have a Vuforia engine developer portal account, just click on register, and then this sort of form will appear, and you just need to fill this form, and your Vuforia developer account will be created easily in a few minutes. So I already have an account, so I'll just log in now. So guys, as you can see now, I have logged in into my Vuforia engine developer portal, and you need to click on the downloads tab as you can see here, downloads. I am on the downloads tab, and click on the first link itself, add Vuforia engine to a Unity project. Click on the first link, agree to all their license agreement, and a Unity package will be downloaded in your system. So all you need to do is minimize this, open your Unity project, go to assets, import package, custom package. So it will pop up you on the screen. Now go to your downloads folder, where you usually your default downloads folder of your system, and you will see this package which we just downloaded. Add Vuforia package, this one, open it. So it will ask you, let this remain default, and just click on import. It will take a few minutes because my system is not that high end. If you have a better system, you will take much lesser time than mine. Don't worry about it. Let the computer do its stuff, and see, now we have this option. So what is basically is the Vuforia engine gets updated every month or itself. So if your Unity is not updated yet, so it will ask you to update it. So just click on update, and it will update in a few seconds only, like this. As you can see, now we have an error here. An error occurred while resolving the packages. All you need to do is I will put a link below of a zip file. So you need to download that zip file on a system, extract it to a particular folder, and then I'll show you what are the next steps. So what you need to do now is just click on window. After downloading the package, what you need to do is click on window, go on package manager, and it will basically fetch all the packages which are included in your project right now. So when it will fetch all the packages, it will show here on this side, and you can see now when we tried to install the Vuforia package through the Chrome itself, after downloading that Unity package, we got an error. No get executable was found. So what you need to do is just select this and remove it. No need to do anything else. Now what you need to do is when you will download that zip file, you just need to extract it here. I'll just create a new folder. Okay, I'll take this package, cut it and paste it inside the new folder here, and I'll extract it here itself. So now all the things will get extracted in this new folder, and as you can see, it's almost extracted. So now you can see the package has been extracted in this new folder, and what you need to do is just click on this plus icon right here and add package from disk. Once you do it, go to the folder where you have extracted the Vuforia package, and you can see a package.json file here. Just click on it and open. It will automatically install all the Vuforia plugins, the engine, its APIs on your Unity project, and I'll show you how to confirm whether the Vuforia engine has been installed into your Unity project correctly or not. So let this import thing complete first, then I'll show you it. It will ask you to update again, just update it, no problem. So yes, now your Vuforia engine AR has been successfully imported into your system. Now you can see a green color tick here which says that the Vuforia engine AR has been successfully installed into your project. It's just a warning, just clear it. So how do you confirm whether all the things are properly installed regarding Vuforia? Just click on game object here and you will see a Vuforia engine. You can see all its components. You can use it into your project easily now. For example, the AR camera, just accept everything here. The AR camera will pop up here right now. So all the Vuforia engine components, its APIs, its package files are now installed into Unity project. So this was all about the video how to install the Vuforia 9.8 package into your Unity project. If you like the video, make sure you like the video, share and subscribe to my channel. I am planning to bring a augmented reality app development series on this channel, so make sure you don't miss it. So kindly subscribe to the channel and stay safe. Thank you all for watching the video.